In this video, we're going to talk about filtration in spas and how the filters in a spa lead to clean, clear water. Hi, I'm Andrew Pullen, Managing Director of Spa World, and one question that we get asked often is, how do I keep my spa water clean and clear with a minimum of bother? And a big part of it comes down to the filtration that you have in your spa. Now, there are various ways to run filtration in a spa, various cartridge types that can be used. One recommendation I would make is choose a spa with a wear gate filter box. This is a flap that stops dirty water returning back into the spa when the filtration is turned off. The more filtration in terms of area, and it's often quoted in square footage, so 50 square foot, 100 square foot, more is usually better. There are three main types of filter, with the most common being a pleated filter, which is a synthetic paper substitute that is designed to catch all the little bits of grit and hair, etc., that fall into the spa before it goes into the filtration system. And a general rule of thumb when it comes to pleated filters is more is often better. This is a 30 square foot cartridge. This big one is 100 square foot, so it's going to catch 3 times more grit and muck before it needs cleaning. The second type of filter on the market, and it's a little rarer, is what's called a polyester depth filter. Now, whilst the pleated filters filter down to 25 microns, these wee beauties filter down to 5 microns. They're a disposable filter. As I said, not as common. They filter a lot finer. They don't require cleaning. You literally throw them away every 3 or 4 months and replace them. The third type of filter on the market is a ceramic filter. Looks similar to this, but with a different membrane. Great filtration system, but beware, they are pricey when it comes to replacing them. Another hot tip, ask your spa retailer what the replacement costs of the various filters are going to be. So I hope this video has taught you a little more about what filtration to look out for in your next spa.